everybody, my name is David Angway and I'm currently having a lot of messages directly to my Facebook account and maraming nagtatanong right now, Dave, I already have a variable universal life with Sun Life and I'd like to have an investment that I can say na it will grow steadily and at the same time I can also control. So what can you suggest? Well, we also have a Sunlight Prosperity Funds. Well, I'll discuss these things to you right now. Itong Sunlight Prosperity Funds ito is actually our brand of mutual funds. And why is this really, really important? Because there are plenty of benefits if you have this thing. So if you would like to move up directly from your VUL, which is Variable Universal Life, this is also an alternative option and it's also good for you. Okay? So, number one, affordability. So, maraming millennials right now, they're asking, Dave, I do have an extra funds right now and I do have a VUL already. So, how much can I start with this one? Oh, well, they can go ahead and start with 1,000 pesos or 1,000 US dollars. Then make subsequent investments for as low as 1,000 pesos per month or $200 per month. Let's go directly to another benefits of having a Sunlight Prosperity Funds, which is a mutual fund, higher potential return. As you can see, all right, makikita mo rito, if you invested, okay, in a bond is actually more of a low risk investment, all right, low risk fund natin, definitely you should be expecting these kinds of return na. High risk, high return. If you go directly with the balance, definitely may equity level yan, and then at the same time percentage ng bond din. If you're looking at it, there's the 120%. This one's good for moderately aggressive, okay, investor. Equity, high risk, so you should be expecting 230%. There's also high risk investments rito, okay, such as the Phil Stock Index Fund that we just released last 2015. Currently 98 cents. Okay, this was way back a month ago. And if you're gonna be looking at it, this one, okay, for the past 3 years, 13.11. All right. So if you're gonna be looking at it, might as well see this as a really good way. Na if you have a higher, instead of putting it directly into the bank, put it directly in our Sunlight Prosperity Funds. Pero remember this. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Okay, so a quick disclaimer lang. Now, diversification. When you say diversify, that means you are minimizing the risk na malugi ito. This will complement directly to your VUL or to your mismo stocks as well. Because instead of you, okay, losing a lot of money in a stocks right now, because you're not really good at it today, okay, you're not very familiar with the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, might as well start with a mutual fund, okay? Next, flexibility. Of course, okay, if you would like to make some changes directly into your investments, then you can go ahead and make some changes in terms of diversification. All right, so flexibility. If you need to change where your money is invested in, you can do so accordingly up to 4 times in a year at no change. So this one is subject to change, but please go ahead and contact a certified investment solicitor in order for you to learn more about these kinds of things. All right, hindi lang siya dapat lisensyado siya. Next, liquidity. Well, of course, a lot of people will be asking, Dave, what if, let's say, for example, I need to redeem it now or I need to take out the funds? Can I go ahead and do that? Yes, you can go ahead and do that. And it will be based on the current fund value. And you may call our hotline to check the redemption settlement dates of the funds you're invested in. Okay. Next, professional portfolio management. So, of course, the Sunlight Prosperity Funds are managed by investment professionals who are dedicated to ensuring that the funds generates the best returns over the long term. Meaning, these people are our fund managers is absolutely really good in terms of what they're doing right now. Next, global expertise. So, of course, Our Sun Life Asset Management, the fund manager and distributor of the Sun Life Prosperity Funds, is a member of a Sun Life Financial Group of companies operating in Canada, in the US, in the United Kingdom, Hong Kong, China, India, and the Philippines, and Indonesia. So, imagine mo, we are globally competitive. So, that's the main reason why. Why do you need to choose our Sun Life Prosperity Funds? Well, aside from that, let me give to you a quick example. Because unang-una sa lahat, these are 2018 achievements. Of course, you should not only focusing on the type of vehicles that you would like to invest, but you also need to investigate or double check the credibility of the driver itself. So we do have a best asset management company in the Philippines 2018 private banking survey by Euromanian. All right, award of merit, that's Make It Mutual marketing campaign, Gold Quill Awards. Next is a platinum rating coming from the Reader's Digest 2018 Trusted Brands Investment Funds category. And our Philippine Investment Funds Association awarded us as the most awarded asset management company. 17 awards, 12 annual awards night. And we're also proud that SLAMC won top honors in 5 categories, such as Sun Life Prosperity Phil Equity Fund, that's the top, the 3-year return equity fund. Sun Life Prosperity Money Market Fund outperformed the other funds. And then the Sun Life Prosperity Dollar Advantage dominated the 3-year and 5-year returns, the Balanced Fund category, foreign currency denominated. So if you would like to simply add up directly to your investments regularly, this is a really good asset class as well. Alright, so see you in the next video. Again, my name is Dayu Dangway, and I'm currently a Sun Life certified investment sitter and a financial advisor. So if you do have any questions and concerns, please send me a message directly to my account. And at the same time, I also have a YouTube channel wherein you can go ahead and subscribe. If you have questions, I'll be happy to go ahead and help you learn more about financial literacy program. Alright, maraming salamat. See you again on the next episode.